Pag lagi tayong nag-aaway, lagi mo sinasabi na we have a lot of differences. Well, yung differences na yun para sa'yo is challenging. But for me, that's the reason who I am today. And that's the reason kung bakit nakatayo ako sa'yo dito ngayon and will ask you this question.
If the moon gives a present, the sun stops it shining, you know you have a hand to hold.
Will you marry me?
Patingin mo na.
Now look at your mom.